ready to unlock the true power of your crypto and make everyday purchases with ease. Today, we're diving into how to add funds to your Coinbase debit card, turning your digital assets into readily usable currency. First, open your Coinbase app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look for the Trade or Convert button. It's usually located in the middle of the bottom navigation bar. Tap on it to proceed. You'll want to convert your crypto into USD Coin. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to convert from, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported crypto. Then, select USD Coin as the currency you are converting to enter the amount you want to convert. Keeping in mind your spending needs, preview the conversion details and confirm the transaction. Now, let's navigate to your Coinbase card. You can find it either in the account section or by searching for Coinbase card within the app. Once you've located your card, you should see an Add Funds button. Tap on it. You will see your available USD Coin balance. Enter the amount of USD Coin you want to transfer to your Coinbase card. Remember, this amount will be available for your purchases. Review the details one last time. Make sure everything looks correct. If so, confirm the transfer and that's it. Your funds should now be available on your Coinbase card. You can now use it for purchases online, in stores, or even withdraw cash from ATMs. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.